person still alive. And the gunshot wound is to the right, not to the left. So that is to say, to make sure this person is not dead. So I did. We couldn't say no because there's no way you can say no. I cut through and to the both sides, removed liver and 2 kidneys. It took me less than 30 minutes. I realized that was possible organ harvesting part of it, but I don't have evidence. So since then, that day I realized this, and this started haunting me all the way.
The tribunal concluded that commission of crimes against humanity against Falun Gong and Uyghurs had been proved beyond reasonable doubt.